Welcome back to the Garden Bamboo Plants channel. Today, we take a closer look at a spectacular member of the bamboo family in our garden hedge, the captivating Chinese golden yellow bamboo. Also called the Phyllostachys vivax. As we approach the warmer months here in the UK, here in London, a fascinating display of growth is about to unfold in our bamboo patch. As we anticipate the bursting of shoots, let's delve into this beautiful privacy screen and witness its beauty in early spring.
Firstly, here is the new Chinese golden bamboo in pots ready for transplanting.
So this is my Phyllostachys vivax, the Chinese golden yellow bamboo, grown in pots in the last 2 years. If I take you closer to the bamboo here, you can see that this is the first year growth right here and there, and that is the second year growth right up here. So the next growth this year, twice the length of the second year growth right there, the tall one. This is spectacular bamboo. You could see the reason why it is called the golden yellow bamboo. Its stems are golden brown. That's the second year growth. Let me show you the first year growth. This is what it is like in the first year. Right? Brilliant. Lovely bamboo. Let me take you to the Chinese golden yellow bamboo privacy screen we have right on the
Chinese
side.
golden yellow bamboo truly excels as a privacy screen. Its dense, golden foliage forms a lush wall, providing year-round visual separation. But the magic doesn't stop there. Come late spring to early summer, the ground around the bamboo comes alive with a burst of activity. These vibrant green spears rise with remarkable speed, adding a touch of dynamic beauty to your landscape. Here, we take you into the calmness of the bamboo grove in our garden. Nothing seems to happen at present, but underneath these covers, there is a hype of activities. The bamboo is putting out its network of roots ready to burst into the open. Come the mid-spring to early summer, the bamboo shoots will shoot out of the soil and in no time they will reach the sky. One of the greatest advantages of the Chinese golden yellow bamboo. It's incredibly low maintenance. Unlike many plants that require dedicated spring pruning, this beauty thrives with minimal intervention during the warmer months. Once the bamboo reaches their full height, usually after 5 to 6 years, they remain at the same height, so there is no need for pruning. However, there's one crucial detail to consider. The Chinese golden yellow bamboo is a running variety, meaning it spreads readily. To ensure it stays contained and doesn't take over your garden, planting it with a barrier is essential. This could be a dedicated bamboo barrier or another form of underground edging. We'll be revisiting this stunning Chinese golden yellow bamboo late in spring to witness the full spectacle of its spring growth, with those mesmerizing bamboo shoots reaching for the sky. In the meantime, if you're searching for a low-maintenance, evergreen privacy solution with a touch of golden charm, consider adding the Chinese golden yellow bamboo to your garden. Just remember, plan for its spreading nature. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the Chinese golden yellow bamboo. Don't forget to subscribe to the Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel for more updates on its stunning growth, and to discover the wonders of other bamboo varieties as well.